Prague, a city of mysterious towers, cobblestone streets that echo with whispers of the past, and legends flowing from the depths of history. This is the enchanted heart of Central Europe, where every corner hides a story. Once, alchemists sought secrets here, kings ruled, and artists found inspiration on these very streets. Today, we invite you on a journey through time. Are you ready to wander the ancient streets of Prague to uncover the history and mystery woven into the fabric of this captivating city? If so, let's begin our unforgettable journey into the soul of Prague. Prague's history spans over 1,000 years, emerging as an important trading center in the 9th century. Known as the City of 100 Spires, Prague became one of the most valuable cities in the Holy Roman Empire. In the 14th century, Emperor Charles V declared it the empire's capital, and Prague flourished as a center of art, learning, and architecture. In the late 16th century, Emperor Rudolf II's fascination with mysticism, alchemy, and art added a unique aura to Prague, establishing its reputation as a city of magic and mystery. Prague is like an open-air museum where different architectural styles blend harmoniously. In the Old Town Square, you'll find Gothic, Baroque, and Renaissance buildings. At the center of the square stands the astronomical clock, reflecting medieval understandings of cosmology. Built in 1410 and still operational, this clock enchants viewers every hour with its animated figures. One of the must-see sights is Charles Bridge, a stone bridge over the Vltava River built during the 14th century by Charles IV. Lined with statues of saints, the bridge offers one of the most stunning views of Prague's skyline. High above the city stands Prague Castle, the largest ancient castle complex in the world, founded in the 9th century. Within its walls, the Gothic St. Vitus Cathedral stands as a masterpiece, its completion spanning nearly 600 years. One of Prague's most picturesque areas is Malá Strana, Lesser Town, a fairy tale-like neighborhood with Baroque buildings, cobbled streets, and enchanting gardens. In this area, you can discover hidden gems like the Wallenstein Palace and gardens, adorned with sculptures and fountains. The Jewish Quarter, or Josvav, is one of the city's most historic areas, dating back to the 10th century. Here, the Old Jewish Cemetery and the Old New Synagogue, Europe's oldest active synagogue, serve as reminders of Prague's rich Jewish heritage. Prague is renowned for its historic and culturally rich squares. The Old Town Square, filled with medieval structures and lively street performers, is a vibrant gathering place. Visitors crowd around the astronomical clock, adding to the square's animated atmosphere. Wenceslas Square, located in the new town, has witnessed key events in Czech history. The square is lined with shops, cafes, and hotels. At the top stands a statue of Saint Wenceslas, a symbol of pride and resilience for the Czech Republic. Prague's cuisine is a delicious gateway into the city's culture. Traditional dishes such as Vltava, goulash, and the sweet pastry trudelník are found across the city. Prague is also known for its beer culture, home to some of the finest brews in the world. Savoring a pint of Pilsner or bar in a local pub is one of the most enjoyable ways to experience the spirit of Prague. For a modern dining experience, Prague also offers a selection of elegant restaurants that fuse traditional Czech ingredients with contemporary culinary techniques. To truly feel the essence of Prague, you must take a boat tour along the Vltava River. As you glide on the water, you'll see Prague's iconic bridges and Gothic structures from a unique perspective, creating unforgettable memories. Camp Island, with its greenery and calm atmosphere, is a perfect spot for connecting with nature in the city. Prague's parks are also a delight for nature lovers. Letná Park offers a panoramic view of Prague, and a walk through the gardens on Petín Hill is one of the most peaceful experiences you can have in the city. Prague is as vibrant by night as it is by day. The city offers a diverse nightlife scene, including stylish bars, pubs, and jazz clubs for all ages. Vltava Jazz Club, for example, is an iconic venue for jazz fans. You can also enjoy a cocktail at a rooftop bar with a view of Charles Bridge, making for an unforgettable night. Prague's underground bars and converted breweries add a unique charm to the city's nightlife. Prague is an ideal shopping destination for unique and authentic souvenirs. The city is famous for its bohemian crystal, handcrafted marionettes, and Czech porcelain. Boutique stores around Old Town Square and antique shops in Josvav offer special finds. Handcrafted glassware or delicate garnet-studded jewelry are some of the best keepsakes to bring home. Prague is steeped in classical music heritage. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart performed his works here, and Czech composers like Antonín Dvořák and Beneš Smetana elevated Prague on the world stage. For music lovers, Prague is a paradise, and watching a performance at the National Theatre or the State Opera is an unforgettable experience. For art enthusiasts, Prague offers a treasure trove of galleries and museums. The National Gallery is an excellent starting point for understanding Czech art. The Franz Kafka Museum is also a unique destination, providing insights into the life and works of the renowned writer. Prague is not only a city of history and architecture, but also a hub of art and culture. The National Gallery holds a vast collection of Czech and international art, while the Prague National Theatre, a neo-Renaissance architectural gem, hosts performances of opera, ballet, and drama. One of Prague's most unique cultural landmarks is the John Lennon Wall. Since the 1980s, this wall has been covered in messages of peace and love. Visitors leave their marks here, contributing to a living piece of art that embodies Prague's spirit of freedom. Thank you for exploring the enchanting world of Prague with us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, Savvy Voyages, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our future adventures. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the world's most beautiful places. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you on our next journey.